common mistake that we do have is if people don't open the window before they tilt it in, you can get an issue like this then where the window won't open or shut completely. And don't panic, that's a very simple fix also, and I'm going to show you that right now. So the first thing you want to do then is get the sash out of that opening. So now just leave it where it's at, and then light cleaning, where you pull these inwards towards the lock, tilt the window in until you're like a tabletop level here. At that position then, you can pick one side out and get that sash right out of that opening. Set this to the side. And then what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. And you want to go on an average size flathead that'll fit into these shoes, which I'll show you right now. So on the left and the right side, you got what we call a shoe here. That's what the string comes down to and is attached. And in the center of that shoe, you have what we call a horseshoe. And you can see right now, it's at the open position. When this horseshoe is at that position, that shoe is locked into place, so it cannot move. So what you want to do with that screwdriver, set it inside of that shoe, and you want to go a quarter turn. You can turn that right in towards the inside. Now, when you turn that shoe, you're going to have some tension on this. It's going to try to pull up on you. So you do want to hold on to that screwdriver and leave it into that shoe. And then allow it to go up approximately 3, 4, 5 inches. It don't have to be anywhere exact. And when you get to the height you want it, turn it back to where the open part of that shoe is facing up. And again, at that position, that'll lock that shoe into place. Okay, then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing here. You can see the horseshoe is in the upward position, that's the lock position. Put the screwdriver in, go a quarter turn towards the inside. Again, you want to hold on to that screwdriver because there's some tension trying to pull that up for us. But then allow it to go up approximately the same as the other side. Again, turn that back to its original position where that shoe is facing straight up, and that locks it into place. Now again, it don't have to be an exact height, because once we put the sash back in, it will balance itself, but you do want to get it fairly close to the same height. Alright, so once you got them set back up, get your sash back here, and make sure you're holding it, you got the inside with the handle system is facing inwards. You put the sash back in, and you're going to need to tilt it to get inside the frame here. So then set the one side in, and you're going to see you have these pins at the bottom of the sash. Those are going to go right into those horseshoes that we just moved. So set the one side in, and it should basically fall right into place here. Set the other side back in also. Sometimes maybe give it a little nudge to be sure that the pin goes into the shoe. Once you get them back in, close it like you're done with washing. Be sure these click back into place. And then just open it, shut it a couple times, make sure operation is good. Shut and lock the window. Very simple.